इस तरीके से लाइटली मत लीजिए हाई कोर्ट को आप। अगर मैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आज लिख दूंगा, यू मे बी इन ट्रबल। दिस हाई कोर्ट इज नॉट टू बी टेकन लाइटली। यू आर नॉट अबाउट द हाई कोर्ट, you are there to serve the poor people, and if we call you not to see your face, we call you to seek to get assistance because your counsel are not in a position to assist. This I have noted yesterday. We have no personal work from you. इतनी एरोगेंस मत दिखाइए। जो आपने लैंड एक्वायर कर ली, मुआवजा किस तारीख को दिया?
On 7/6/93, the award was passed by the land acquisition officer. What had happened, Lord, the money was kept ready. They did not accept the money.
Where is the where is the denial document?
We have the original records.
91 की ऑर्डर शीट दिखा रहे हैं आप। अवार्ड पारित हुआ 7/6/93 को। 7/6/93 को कब आपने ऑफर किया, उसके बाद इनको कंपनसेशन, और इन्होंने कब डिनाई किया, उतनी डेट बता दीजिए, डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा दीजिए।
उसके बाद ये हाई कोर्ट आ गया सर।
अरे भाई, हाई कोर्ट ने ये कहा क्या कि आप इनको अवार्ड का पैसा मत दीजिए?
नहीं,
स्टे था क्या?
नहीं,
रिकॉर्ड से दिखाइएगा वकील साहब
जी।
क्या है ये? क्या है?
93 का डू,
उसकी कॉपी उनको भी दीजिए ना। ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है, स्टे कागज थोड़ा दिए जाते हैं हाई कोर्ट में।
Your Lordship may either grant us time, Lord, we'll file.
Today case is fixed.
Sir,
because we were not assisted, this court was not given assistance, therefore we called your collector that his license to practice will be cancelled. He has given a very fabricated certificate, very frivolous and fabricated certificate.
With greatest.
But since doctor is not before this court, I am not taking any action against him. Now I will not grant you any time. You are required to address this court right now.
Lord, I'll get copies of this order done, Lord, and then I'll hand it. Or Your Lordship may direct, Lord, my learned friend will see the order.
कॉपी कराइए ना, यहाँ
कॉपी
करवाइए, जूनियर को भेजिए,
बस
उसके बाद रिफर करिए। जो भी दस्तावेज रिफर कर रहे हैं उसकी कॉपी होना चाहिए।
We'll get it.
इस तरीके से लाइटली मत लीजिए हाई कोर्ट को आप। अगर मैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आज लिख दूंगा तो आप यू मे बी इन ट्रबल। दिस हाई कोर्ट इज नॉट टू बी टेकन लाइटली। यू आर नॉट अबाउट द हाई कोर्ट, you are there to serve the poor people, and if we call you not to see your face, we call you to seek to get assistance because your counsel are not in a position to assist. This I have noted yesterday. We have no personal work from you. इतनी एरोगेंस मत दिखाइए। मुझे तारीख बताइए, इसमें पोजीशन की बात आ रही है, मुआवजा देने से, पे करने से कहां रोका गया, ये बताइए।
That order was challenged by them, Lord.
Order may have been challenged, but in the first place, you are required to show that you raised first argument that this gentleman refused to accept the compensation. Now, complete that argument. Show me a document that you offered him compensation, then you changed the line, और आप उस पर आ गए कि साहब नहीं, वो तो हाई कोर्ट से स्टे हो गया था। अब आप मुझे दिखाइए, एक एक करके चलिए, आपके तीनों आर्गुमेंट मीट करूंगा मैं। अब ये दिखाइए कि हाई कोर्ट से मुआवजा देने पर स्टे था। अब आपने तीसरा आर्गुमेंट किया दैट ऑर्डर वाज चैलेंज। नाउ वेयर इज दैट ऑर्डर चैलेंजिंग दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ लर्नेड सिंगल जज?
ये
तो डीबी का ऑर्डर
चैलेंज दी अवार्ड। अवार्ड उन्होंने चैलेंज किया।
किसने?
पिटिशनर
नहीं किया था, उस पे पोजीशन पर स्टे था, पैसे देने के भुगतान पे स्टे था क्या? उनका केस ये है कि क्योंकि 2013 के अधिनियम आने तक आपने भुगतान नहीं किया है, इसलिए अब नए एक्ट के प्रावधान लागू होंगे। यही केस है ना आपका? अब आप मुझे सिर्फ डेट्स बता दीजिए, 4 डेट्स बता दीजिए। आपने अवार्ड की डेट बता दी, ठीक है, 7/6/2013 1993, ठीक है, मान गए इसको। अब इसके बाद यह आपने पहला आर्ग्यूमेंट जो किया वो दस्तावेज दिखा दीजिए that you offered compensation and they refused to accept compensation.
उनको मालूम है कि अवार्ड हो गया.
नहीं, yes, नहीं.
उसके
Don't make a frivolous argument. You raised it, everything is recorded. You raised an argument in front of the collector saying that they refuse to take the compensation. Refusal comes when something is offered. Now show me the document that this amount was offered to them and they refused to accept the compensation. Please, I'll not allow you to change the track.
The award was there. The award is there. They
मतलब यह है कि एक आदेश है तो हम जो है पीछे पीछे घूमेंगे कि सब आदेश है, आप हमें मुआवजा दीजिए, ऐसा प्रावधान है लॉ में, बताइएगा. 1894 के एक्ट को पढ़ के बताइएगा कि जो जिस व्यक्ति की भूमि एक्वायर की गई है वह कलेक्टर साहब के पीछे पीछे घूमेगा कि साहब मुझे मुआवजा दे दीजिए. आपने जो was never paid. Come to the second argument. Now then we will examine the second argument.
I'll just verify.
Compensation was not paid. They the award was government दिया.
Sir,
They went for
I apologize. The compensations were not paid. When the award was passed, they did not turn up to accept.
When was notice given? Now the law says, मैडम आपने पढ़ा है एक्ट की नहीं पढ़ा है? हैं? बताइए किस प्रावधान में है कि आप नोटिस देंगी कंपनसेशन लेने के लिए? बताइए. Now I'll ask you, give me the provision which says that a person who has been ousted from the land will come to the collector asking for compensation. Please show me the provision. Show me the provision. आपने तो पढ़ा है ना एक्ट, मसूरी में भी पढ़ाया जाता है. और फिर जब आप कलेक्टर हैं तो यहां रोज पढ़ती होंगे कानून. कहां प्रावधान है कि लैंड आउस्टी आएगा मुआवजा मांगते हुए? इज अ बेगर. चलिए अब वो बताइए ऑर्डर जिसमें कि आपको मुआवजा देने से स्टे किया गया, और वो ऑर्डर शीट दिखाइए जिसमें आपने नोट किया क्योंकि ये पिटीशन पेंडिंग है इसलिए मुआवजा नहीं दिया जा सकता, या मुझे मुआवजा देने से रोका गया है स्टे के चलते हुए, इसलिए जो है मुआवजा का भुगतान नहीं कर रहे. तो दिखाइए ऑर्डर शीट. लिखिएगा. श्री राजेंद्र सिंह, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर. Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Akash Malpani, along with district collector श्रीमती, आपका शुभ नाम बताइए?
प्रतिभा पाल.
Miss श्रीमती प्रतिभा पाल. Next, 3 arguments have been put forth by Shri Harpreet Singh Rupra, namely 1, 2, 3 करके लिखिएगा. 1, petitioner had refused to accept the compensation and therefore petition deserves to be dismissed. 2, petitioners had filed a writ petition before the High Court seeking enhancement of the compensation, and that miscellaneous petition was registered as MP number 2559 of 1993. Therefore, compensation was not paid. Third argument is that since there was an stay from the High Court, therefore compensation could not be paid. Full stop. Next paragraph. When examined, then first in support of first argument, contradictory statements are being made in the open court by learned additional advocate general and the collector Riva. Full stop. They have changed the track and say that petitioner never approached the collector to seek compensation. Full stop. Next, when learned collector is requested to show legal provision forcing a land oustee to approach the collector and beg for compensation, she is not in a position to assist, though she agrees that though she submits that she has read the Land Acquisition Act 1894. Full stop. Next one. Perusal of order dated 3/9/93 reveals that the stay was only in relation to dispossession and there is no mention of the fact of not paying the compensation for the land already acquired. लाइए वो आगे ऑर्डर 19/8/93 का फोटो कॉपी होकर आइए दीजिए, एक कॉपी राजेंद्र सिंह जी को दे दीजिए. Full stop. There is a reference to the order dated 19/8/93 which reads as under, within inverted commas, petitioner number 6 present in person. Full stop. Next slide. He is heard on IA number 6848/93 for further orders on stay. Full stop. Next para. The notices as directed by this court, apostrophe ऐसे, order dated 30/6/93 have not been issued even though the PF was paid in time. Full stop. Apparently, this is a mistake of the office of the High Court. Full stop. Considering the fact that the petitioners are likely to dispossessed, comma, it is directed that the possession of the petitioners over the land under acquisition will not be disturbed until further orders of this court. Full stop. Notices as per the order of this court, comma, dated 30/6/93 be issued immediately and the matter be listed as soon the respondents are served. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Thus, it is evident that award was never stayed by Honorable Division Bench of this High Court. Full stop. In fact, this miscellaneous petition came to be dismissed by order dated 25/6/2002. Copy of the order is produced by Shri Rupra along with chronological events / synopsis, which is undated and which has been handed over today during the open court proceedings. Full stop. Thus, now the onus is on the collector to explain that once these petitions were dismissed in 2002, firstly, when notices were issued to the petitioner asking them to collect compensation or sending the check of compensation, full stop. She will also give the check number, etc., if any was prepared by the collector or his subordinates to be handed over to the petitioner. Full stop. If any check / draft was prepared in the name of the petitioner, photocopy of the same will also be enclosed by the collector. Full stop. Next. They will also point out that what legal opinion was taken in regard to the orders of the High Court dated 19/8/93 and 3/9/93. Full stop. They will also point out, she will also point out from the order sheets of the file that taking these orders into consideration, collector or the land acquisition officer had directed to not to disburse the compensation. Full stop. Next paragraph. Collector will also point out that when the petition was dismissed by order dated 25/6/2002, then what steps were taken to disburse compensation in favor of the petitioners. Full stop. Let these documents be filed by tomorrow. This case will be taken up at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow.
May I submit my order? I am representing respondent number 2, Housing Board.
हाँ ठीक है. चलिए आपका शुभ नाम डाल लीजिए.
Ananya Mishra.
अनन्य मिश्रा for respondent number 2. तो फाइल में रखिएगा, इसको मत दीजिएगा, इनको ओरिजिनल दे दीजिए, ले आइए. कल सुबह 10:30 तक फाइल कर दीजिए ये सारी जानकारी. 2:30 मुकदमा लेंगे, 2:30 आप उपस्थित रहिएगा.
Sure.
Collector is directed to remain personally present at 2:30.